What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to get with you this morning. It's Sunday morning. We're going to take the car out. Still got the slicks on it. We're going to take the car out and go get some breakfast, see what today holds for us. We didn't get up early enough to go to the Cars and Coffee this morning, so we're not doing that. We're not going. We thought about going to the auto fair, but I don't think we're going to go to that either. She's cold. She don't like to run when she's cold. So I'm not really sure what we're going to get into today, but I'll keep you posted. Just kind of go through the day. I actually had a guy call me a while ago. We might even go look at a car today that's for sale for him. So I don't know. I'll keep posting on what's going on, and you can ride with us and just spend the day with us. Out here on a little cruise in the car. Street car. Got normal wheel tires on the front. Got the slicks on. Well, not technically slicks. They're DOT tires on the back. So use your QuickTime Pros when we're on the back. 26 by 9.5. Drive this thing around. Of course, we're on a country road again, like we was talking about the other day. So we went up to Granny's Kitchen and got us a bite to eat. We did get confirmation that we were going to go look at a car for a buddy. It's a Shell, it's a roller. Go look at it for him, so we're gonna go home, hook up the trailer after we just unhooked it a couple days ago. We're gonna go hook up the trailer and wait on him to get to the house, and then we're gonna head out down on the other side of Gastonia, between Gastonia and Charlotte. We're gonna head out that way and go look at a car and see if he wants to get it. It's supposed to have some good, well, decent suspension parts on it. I don't really know exactly what all's on it, but it's supposed to have some decent suspension parts on it, and it's the same body style that he already has, so he's gonna go. It's just a roller, no motor, no trans, anything like that, but it'd be a good little parts car for him, or if he decided he wanted to build a race car later. I don't know what all his plans are for it, but he called me this morning wanting to know if we wanted to go and look at it, you know, if we take the trailer so we can haul it back. So we're gonna do that, so stick with us. We'll go out there and get a little video of the car and let you know if we get it or not, see where the day leads to for the rest of the day. All right, got the trailer loaded up. Let's go look at this thing, see how it turns out. All right, we made it here to look at the car. It's actually just outside of Waxhaw's where we're at. Let's go over here and take a look at it, see what's going on with it. See what kind of parts car we got here.
These doors are good. He had a turbo LS in it. That's why the holes cut neighbor. That's where you have the blow off here.
Putting this thing to work today. We went and picked it up. It's got the bumper and stuff inside. These doors have Lexan plexiglass windows. They're cut out. They're gutted. They're light, made to cut off.
Thank you. The keys in the ignition.
All right. Hey man,
So,
thank you.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah, we're just filming. I got a little YouTube, man, and we're filming for it. So.
Well, there you go. Enjoy your stuff, man.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
That's for him, but I'll get to enjoy it too. I get to watch him.
You get the tub, right?
Suspension on. So he bought the car for the suspension, pretty much. Yeah, not a bad deal. Now we get to haul this thing back to Marion? Marion? Yeah.
LS
Was
6-cylinder Mustang.
yeah, they had this thing cut up and stuff for LS in it. Had an LS turbo motor in it, but no more. So Nick might have some parts for sale before too long. Look at him getting ready. We're gonna go for a drive. I realized today that it is Paul Walker's birthday, and everybody's doing a pull for Paul. So we might do a little pull. If we do, we'll take a video of it. Might just do like a second gear pull or something. Just do a little pull for his birthday. Yeah, we got the other car back to his place good. Got it unloaded. I think he's got some decent suspension parts on it. It's got adjustable front shocks and stuff like that. He's gonna put on his car and get it set up for the track. But we're gonna go eat. Taking a Super to eat. And like I said, we might do a little small pull for you.
about is freaking tail lights. It's about the
Oh, I
most
love the
favorite.
damn tail lights. Love
Is that yours?
He is.
It's his.
What's that to? Oh, what's that to if you don't mind?
It's an EcoBoost. It's just a little EcoBoost. It's just got the wheels and tires on it for looks.
Depends on what day. It's just a little turbo. The Mustang lit up on the door. Like,
Hey, let's hear this little EcoBoost, man. Come on.
They don't have the Mustang on the bottom of it? Was it a premium car or?
I don't think it was.
Oh, okay.
It's harder to get the driver's license.
He just picked this thing up. When did he pick this thing up, Tyler?
Pennsylvania.
When, though?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yes, he just got this car yesterday. Okay, maybe it's not an EcoBoost. Not real sure.
I love that. Send me that.
I sent you another one too, though. So,
It needs tint so bad.
yeah, it'll look good with
I
the
missed
tent.
He'll probably hit me up tomorrow.
So I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna do the.
Are you gonna do the windshield and all?
I'm doing it all, and then I'm gonna do the. We're getting the hood ordered tonight, so the hood will be on the way. And then I'm gonna have
Full interior
whoever
car.
you know, just I mean, somebody that does a pretty good job.
Are you from here?
Stock modified or something.
So this thing's got two EcoBoost motors in it, one on each side.
Bill Coyote, 76.
Whew. Got her home, got her put up. Anthony, if you watching, you better be glad we got this thing home before you got that car out. This thing make that little coyote cry. Just kidding, man. Love your car. But we're back home now. Hope y'all enjoy the video of the car my buddy just bought. It's definitely a nice little ride, but went out to eat. Car done good. Still making boost good. No fuel cut. Good to go. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.